Hello, I am Piyush Dave, a fintech professional, and today I'm going to show one more algo trading strategy based on simple mathematics, simple moving average. I've given the name to this algo as simple moving average mean reversion algorithm. It has manual exit, trade locks, and safe shutdown also. That means if you want to shut down, stop the algo in the middle, then there's an option available for that. We are going to find out the simple moving average with 20 price which is coming from market, and the trade size is 100 shares. First, we will load 1 lakh rupees as the capital, base capital. And from the historical price, we are going to find out simple moving average. This simple moving average is continuously dynamically changing also. So when there is a new price come, the simple moving average also changes. Okay. Next part is how to find the deviation. So deviation is the price, the current market price minus SMA, that is simple moving average, divided by simple moving average. So we will check the deviation continuously, and the deviation will help us to understand the long and short entry. If the price is above 1% of the simple moving average, we consider it as an overbought and we will short the equity. You can define this 1% or 2% or 5% as per your requirement. If the price is small than 1%, we will consider it is a below SMA, that is simple moving average. We consider it as a oversold and we will take a long entry. Now that also a buy 100 units. If the price is between 1% plus and minus, we will do nothing. Okay, we will continuously check the unrealized profit and loss in the real time on the screen. Now, when we get a 0.5% of the return, we will exit the position. And if we get 2% of the total loss into that entry, we will exit the location, exit the position. Okay, now the total drop down, or we can say drawdown, I have considered as a 5%. So Algo will automatically stop if there is a excessive loss. That means we need to protect our capital also. So we will consider that. Then there is a manual exit also. I have not put any exit for profit. So for a profit, you can decide whether to run the profit or exit with that profit. And once we stop, we will get the final trade. What long position we have taken, what short position we have taken, what was the profit, what was the loss in complete part. Now to show this algo simulation, I created two files. The first file is a file from an exchange. It continuously keep on changing the price. So we have no control over this exchange file. Okay. This is continuously changing price and we have no control. Like you can see the price generated randomly. Okay. The second, this change in price will be saved into this JSON file, and this is my algo. The logic which I have discussed, I have designed that into the code. So now I will run this algo. Run. Okay, now this is keep on collecting the price which is coming from here. So let me put this window side by side. Okay, this is changing price and it is collecting the price from Algo. Okay, it has collected 12 prices from the market. So this is your market. I have no control over it. I have control over this Algo only. So first 20, it will collect the price and it will find the SMA, that is simple moving average. The simple moving average of this 12 price collection is 1000. You can see the SMA is keep on changing as the prices keep on also changing. The deviation when we reach above 1% or below 1%, then only the trade will take place. Otherwise, the trade will not take place. So we will wait until either this become +1 or -1. The algo will not take any trade until this deviation reach to +1% or -1%. This will help us to basically save your capital, and the algo will be in a very fixed rule. It will not trade at all until the proper signal come. See here, the algo is keep on waiting until we reach the deviation either +1 or -1. Okay, so my SMA is still 1006 and the price is above the, so that means a short. After 100 seconds, it will check whether we have taken any trade or not. And it's saying, okay, we have not taken any trade. There is no PNL because the signal is not still generated above the value which we wanted. Okay. So still we have no signal. We have to wait till the signal generated. I already told you I have no control over this price. I have no control over this price. I have control over this algo. So I have defined the rule as the deviation has to be plus or -1%. Then only the trade will take place. I have taken a lot of backtesting result with this algo and it works very well. Okay, it works very beautifully. Major time I ended up with profit only with this algo. So if you have a discount broker available with you and if you have certain capital, you can create this algo and keep on testing into the live environment also. Okay, now you can see if the price is not coming from market, the algo will stop and wait for price to come. Okay. The market is in a certain range bound condition. That's why the deviation is not taking place. But algo is very smart. Until we don't get any signal, we will not trade. So this will save our capital and it helps also. See, the main advantage of the algo is it does not work with any kind of emotions. It works with a logic, and that logic is if the signals come, take a trade. If no signal come, they don't take a trade. See, the signal has come, the deviation is above 1.23. So that's why it has short the equity at 1016. You can see my SMA was on 1003. So I'm in a short position and now here loss, no loss, now profit, profit. We will keep this till we reach to 0.55. Once we reach to 0.55, we will realize the profit. Okay, currently the prices change, deviation increase. So we are in loss. Okay, we will stop this. Either we reach to deviation as 2% or we will stop if the deviation reach to 0.5 plus 0.5. So we are still in a short position. Okay, we exit at the loss of this because there might be the signal has come 0.5. Okay, we ended up with the loss, but still it's completely okay. But the loss is very small. Okay. Again, it will wait for a good entry and it keep on doing this process until we actually satisfy with profit or we reach to certain loss. Okay. Logic of algo is saving the capital, making small profit or loss. Okay. See here, after 100 seconds, we are in loss of 200 rupees only, which considered to be as very small. Now it is keep on continuously checking the deviation. The best part of the recording is this algo is working in worst scenario. What is the meaning of worst scenario? Here the worst scenario is we are a range bound market. So when we have a range bound market, then the deviation comes very small. Okay, we have got deviation. We sort the equity as 1030. Okay, and 1019 is basically our simple moving average. So now this deviation, keep on tracking it. Either we reach to 0.5 or we reach to 2. 0.5 is exit and 2 is also exit. Okay. It making a loss, it's completely okay. You need to keep on running this for a whole day. So we are still in a loss of 1300 rupees. it's running in a worst case environment. That's the best part of the algo. Okay, we have stop loss trigger. You can check out this. So I kept this as 2%. Okay, again, we have the short entry because the deviation is 2% from the actual SMA. So we have again taken the entry. Okay, now currently we are making a loss, total loss is above certain value, but we will start completely. Okay, we have loss of around 2,400 in each cycle. Okay, again, we enter into the trade and we will exit when this reach to 0.5. Okay. Now let me show you. I have kept one manual exit from this. So when I press certain key in this, I have the manual exit from the trade. You can see it has taken the short position, it has taken the short position, entry, exit, and final PNL. So algo stop safely. The market is keep on running. So I made a loss. It's completely fine. You need to keep on running this for a full day until you either reach to the stop loss condition or you reach to the profit where you actually want to book it. So for a profit, I have not kept any exit. Manually, you need to take a exit. Like I have given an interruption key over here. Similarly, you can have your algo particular key. Once you press that key, the algo stops. It will show you what is the total PNL. And for this condition, see, the interesting part is we have recorded this into the worst case environment. That is the beauty of this live recording. So I hope this is understood by you. Thank you very much.